Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for looking at this course, which is vocabulary development for the academic word list. You might well be thinking, what is this course all about? In this lesson, I'd like to introduce you to the concept of the academic word list. I'll tell you about who developed the AWL, so I'll just call it the AWL at times, as well as the academic word list, the full name. I'll tell you what the AWL actually is. I'll explain why it can be useful for you to spend time studying the AWL and spend time on this course. And we'll just close with a few tips. The first question we need to cover is who developed the AWL list. And this is important to give recognition to the creators of AWL. It is a very famous list of vocabulary in English teaching circles now, and we can give the credit to this lady here. Her name is Avril Coxhead. She is Associate Professor at the School of Linguistics and Applied Language Studies at Victoria University of Wellington in New Zealand. She is the person who looked at all of the English language used in academic writing, that is, looking at papers and texts and things like that, and compiled a list of all of the words that are commonly used, the words that are used most frequently. By counting the frequent words, we then result in a list of common words for academic English. Just to tell you then that in this course we will be using the list that was created by this lady. It's nothing to do with me, I'm afraid, and we deserve to give full credit to the Victoria University of Wellington for this information. The next question then is, what is the academic word list? Of course, it is a list of words, start at the letter A and going through the alphabet. Obviously, there are more words for some letters and very few words for other letters. When we get to Z, there are not many words, but at A, there are a lot more words. In total, we have 570 word families in the list. I'll tell you about word families in a second. Please note that the academic word list does not include the first 2,000 common words in the English language. We are looking at words often used in academic English, so it has that specific topic and leaves out all of the general common words that are used. Okay, I mentioned word families. We can look at the different sections of the academic word list. So we have a word, but it is not just one word, it is a word family. From that one word, which we call the head word, a number of very close words can be created. Here is an example to show you what I mean. So the head word here is analyze. From analyze, we have what's called regular inflections, and this is where you add ed to the word for past simple, or an s, or the ing form. So analysed, analyses, analysing. Of course, we have more words because of those inflections. And then the other thing that grows this word family is the derivations. If you take one word, you can take the plural form, the noun form, the adjective form, and an adverb, and so on. For example, with analyze, we might have analysis, analyst, analysts, analytical, analytically, and so on. So you can see that one word builds up this family of associated words. And from the 570 word families, the total number of words can explode to thousands. What I'm doing with this course is I am concentrating on the head word only. Basically, I had to take the list and cut it down into a manageable size. So it seemed that the easiest thing would be to focus on the head words only and not the derivations that come from that head word. The next question is, why should you spend time studying the academic word list? The best answer to this is that it will help you in your academic English. And here is a statistic for you. 94%. That is, 94% of words in the AWL can cover 20 or more subject areas. It means that if you know the words in the AWL, you will be able to write about a wide range of subjects, and certainly you can be guaranteed that the words you learn can be used, and they are words that you need to use when you are writing academic papers, assignments, and so on. If you are a student or if you are a lecturer, mastery of the academic word list will help you to express yourself clearly in academic English. All right, let's just close with a quick tip. And my big tip here is to make a vocabulary notebook. As you go through this course and study the words, make sure you keep your own record in your vocabulary notebook. I will give you lots of examples as well as the words themselves. You can take notes on the words and the examples. Remember that taking your own notes is a very important step in helping you to remember and get the vocabulary inside your head. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for looking at this again. I'm so excited to bring this course to you. I hope that you understand now how and why it is important to study the AWL. I've just shown you who created it, what the AWL is about, and why you should spend your time working on it. Please take a look at the next lesson where I can tell you how this course is organised and how you can use it. I'll see you there. Bye bye.